Hey, welcome back everyone. I'm Upasna and in today's video I'm gonna talk about Hacktoberfest. So I was getting a lot of doubts like how we can start with open source development. Do we need to learn Git and GitHub for this? So Hacktoberfest starts from October 1st and it ends on 31st October. We will also talk about what Hacktoberfest is, what you can do in the Hacktoberfest. You'll be getting a lot of benefits after completing this festival of open source. We will talk about this in the later part of the video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to get more such amazing updates. Watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So open source is something which is freely to use, redistribute and modify their given code. Hacktoberfest is a month-long celebration of all the open source community. It is sponsored by DigitalOcean, Cloudflare. Basically, it's an event where they want to encourage people to contribute to open source repositories as soon as possible. Basically, repositories are the projects which are available for free for everyone on the GitHub, and there you suggest the changes, upgrade their code. So, for example, you want to edit their homepage using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. So, you can comment on the project, you can create the issues, and if they assign you that task, you will make the changes. Then you need to create a pull request so that your updated code gets merged with their main branch code. So if they merge your pull request, it will be called as a merge request. If this happens, then it means that you have successfully contributed to Hacktober, contributed to an open source repository. So for completing Hacktoberfest, you need to create 4 pull requests and all of them should get merged in order to be eligible for digital swags given by Hacktoberfest. You will also get some DigitalOcean credits. So this was all about Hacktoberfest. One question which can come into your mind: who all can participate? If you have just joined the college, if you are in second, third, or fourth year of your college, you can take part in this. Don't think you don't know much about it, so you will not contribute. Just register with me and start your open source journey. I also participated in it last year where I received various digital badges and some credits also by AppRite, DigitalOcean, and a tree was also planted in an area with my name. So till last year they were giving limited free edition t-shirts to all those who complete Hacktoberfest, but now they have various digital badges as the digital swags. Don't do it for swags. You will learn a lot while contributing how to create a pull request. The excitement of getting your first pull request merged is not comparable with swags. So I'll show you my digital badges also. So let's go to the portal and explore. So this is their main portal and just a little bit scroll down. Here you need to register. Just click on that and then you will get two options: authorize with GitHub or GitLab. So you can register with anyone and then you can check who are the sponsors of Oktoberfest, what awards are there for you and what are the events for you. Let me show you directly the participation part, which is most important in this video. Okay. So here we are in the participation page. So as I mentioned earlier also, anyone from anywhere can participate in this. Just make sure you do not create any spammy pull request, okay? Because your code quality matters for getting the pull request merged. These are the guidelines for participating in Hacktoberfest. You need to register between 23 September and October 31. Your pull request should be merged before October 31. A tip for this from my side is get your pull request merged before 31 or 30 October. Okay, and you can join their Discord server as to meet other participants. Okay, if you are new to open source, you can check these resources like what is GitHub, how you can contribute to open source, what is open source, how to use Git. One video which I can suggest you is of Kunal Kushwa, 8 hours long video, how to use Git and GitHub. I'll give that link in the description. It is very best video. Okay, you can check the later part. And these are the pull and merge request details. So your pull request should not be spammy, and make sure the request you are sending to any account, it is not labeled as invalid. Only create the request to those repositories which are accepted as Hacktoberfest. Okay, like they have made clear here also. Here your repository should have the label of Hacktober accepted. Okay, here are the measures to reduce spam. You can read them. So in Hacktoberfest there are two part. If you can contribute to code part or if you want to contribute to non-code part. Code part is you go to bug fixes and any new features to the website or the app. And non code part is writing, translating, documentation, designing. Okay, so you can register as at anyone. Okay, these are the FAQs. If you have any doubt, you can read here. I'll give the link in the description. So this was all. If you are like beginner, you can just click on these and here you'll have the all the resources. They have various events also. So if you are in Bangalore, you want to attend the events, you can surely register for these. Let me show you my badges for Hacktoberfest. So this is the Holopen account of mine, and here are the rewards. So I completed Hacktoberfest 2023. So they gave me reward kit, and also a tree was planted on my name. These are the badges which I received, and these are the rewards like $50 for the app right, $200 credits for the Digital Ocean, GitHub Student Developer Pack, as you all know how much important it is. Okay, so register in it, start hacking, and if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Start hacking.